this episode. In this episode I'm going to unbox this Ryobi multi-tool. As you can see, I've got the drill, the orbital sander and the LED light, all by Ryobi. I am not sponsored by Ryobi. I paid for all this stuff out of my hard-earned money. So let's see what's in the box with the multi-tool. This just turned up, that's why it's still in the box. I have not opened it yet. So we got the multi-tool, instruction book, some blades, some sandpaper, and that's it. So it looks like we've got some adjustments here, the trigger. Okay, let's get a battery. Oh, and yes, I brought just the skin because I already had batteries. This here, by the feels, is speed adjuster. If you like this, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next clip.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
If you'd like to support Katt Outdoors, we have some merchandise. I've got some pink fishing shirts, some blue fishing shirts, some stickers, and drink holders.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.